Say unto them as I live, saith the Lord.
Saith the Lord God, I have no pleasure in the death of the wicked, but the wicked turn from his way and live. Turn ye, evil way. Why will ye die, O house of Israel? Where will the reform? Is the Lord's mean? Lessening suffering in our well, purifying His church, where bear the signature of heaven, open doors for the entrance of the precious truth. 33 verse 11, Evangelism 263.
Say unto them as I live, saith the Lord.
Saith the Lord God, I have no pleasure in the death of the wicked, but the wicked turn from his way and live. Turn ye, evil way. Why will ye die, O house of Israel? Where will the reform? Is the Lord's mean? Lessening suffering in our well, purifying His church, where bear the signature of heaven, open doors for the entrance of the precious truth. 33 verse 11.